Hey friends! Today, I'm bringing a taste of Egypt straight to your kitchen with a recipe for Fiteer Baladi. If you've never tried it, Fiteer Baladi is a flaky, buttery Egyptian flatbread sometimes called Egyptian pie. It's golden, crisp, and honestly, the stuff of dreams. Perfect with honey, cheese, or just about anything you want to dip it in. Let's jump right in with what you'll need to make this at home. First, the tools. A large mixing bowl, measuring cups and spoons, a clean work surface or large board rolling pin pastry brush, non-stick skillet or griddle, kitchen towel or plastic wrap. Now for the ingredients. 3 cups all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon sugar, 1 1/4 cups warm water, 2 tablespoons vegetable oil, 1/2 cup melted butter or ghee for layering, additional flour for dusting. Ready to make some magic? Here's how you do it, step by step. Step 1. In your mixing bowl, combine the flour, salt and sugar. Give it a good mix with your hands. Slowly pour in the warm water and vegetable oil, stirring as you go. You want a soft, slightly sticky dough. Knead for about 5 minutes until it's smooth and elastic. Step 2. Cover the dough with a kitchen towel or plastic wrap and let it rest for 20 to 30 minutes. This helps it relax and makes it easier to work with. Step 3. Once rested, divide the dough into 4 equal balls. Dust your surface with a little flour. Take 1 ball and roll it out as thin as you can like, almost see-through thin. If it tears a bit, don't sweat it. You got this. Step 4. Brush the entire sheet with melted butter or ghee. Now, fold the edges into the center, kind of like making an envelope, and brush again with butter. Fold once more so you have a nice small square. Repeat with the other balls. Step 5. Heat your skillet or griddle over medium heat. Place 1 folded fiteer square onto the pan and cook for about 2-3 minutes per side until golden brown and crisp. You might hear it crackle, that's the sound of flaky layers forming. Step 6. Stack the breads in a clean towel to keep them warm and soft while you finish the rest. That's it. Tear it, dip it, or just snack straight away. Fiteer Baladi is all about sharing and enjoying good food together. Give it a try and let me know how it goes in the comments. Until next time, happy cooking. Yun!